My name is Attorney Jeff Storms. I am representing the families of the 5 young Somali women whose lives were tragically cut short. We don't have much of an update at this point, as you saw for those of you who were at the hearing. At this point, this matter has just been continued for later proceedings. Not surprising, whenever there's both pending state and federal charges, it usually creates complications that are difficult to work out. For those of you who were in the room, you heard the defense attorney comment that negotiations were ongoing and they're going to reconvene in November. And the hope is that there's immediate acceptance of responsibility so that the family can take another step towards healing. Obviously, that acceptance of accountability, the families want to see it be as strong as possible. And we'll reserve further comment on that until the proceedings play out. But for now, the families are just waiting patiently to continue to learn more information about how their daughter and sister and loved ones were killed.
Could you tell us what's the status of this criminal case in federal court, and then also is there a civil case, with your involvement here?
The focus right now is solely on the criminal cases. The federal case thus far has not moved along yet. The state case is outpacing it, and that may be just because Mr. Thompson is currently in state custody for the time being. But as of now, there's been no progression of the federal case.
How's the relationship been between the families and the Hennepin County Attorney's Office? Have they been keeping you in the loop? Have you been told about upcoming hearings and status of negotiations and that sort of thing?
It's a very slow process for the families, but the families did have the opportunity to meet with the prosecution to set forth expectations and timelines.
Is anyone from the family able to share anything about their loved ones or anything along those lines?
Not now, but we think that it's important that we do that, and so we're actually going to find the right time and opportunity so that way each of the girls can really be talked about and thought about in a way that they deserve, that I think really hasn't happened yet. And so the families are going to take the opportunity to do that at a different time.